My name is Yousef. I'm a sculptor and educator here in Austin, Texas. I work primarily in cast metals, wax, woodworking, and a lot of mixed media, including video work. I ended up buying a 20 by 20 structure, and I wanted it as high as it possibly could go. Alan customized it to what my county would allow, and they worked with me throughout the entire process to make sure I was within those limitations. But part of why I wanted a taller structure is, again, because I wanted to expand what I can do in that space without being limited to anything shorter than 14 feet, which is what I was looking for. My experience with the building customization was awesome. There is super easy to use. It allows you to see your building from any angle. Part of what I really liked is you can move the windows and your door positioning around, as well as, sort of see that in real time. Fantastic, very intuitive, really appreciated it. My favorite part of the build that I made is I wanted my windows facing in one particular direction, and I wanted more windows than are usually displayed on the builder. But again, I communicated this to Alan's, and they worked with me to position things exactly where I wanted them, even if it didn't meet the online builder specifications. That's a huge plus for me, that they're able to understand that things can be customized. The most unexpected thing that I've done with my garage recently is I carved pumpkins with my son. This was an impossibility before, as it would have been a disaster in our garage. It was great. So right now I'm working on a scale model of a Walmart, and I'm currently building the shelves that would be housed in there, and 3D printed a lot of little models and made a lot of little boxes that are gonna fill those shelves. If I had any advice for anybody considering purchasing from Allen's, it's you found the right place. You don't have to look anymore. Allen's is the site. You won't regret it.